Wah, 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 wah. What's up, folks? It's Fletch with Fletch Films coming at you with the Lucasfilm Fan Club. Yeah, baby. I just didn't want everything to look backwards, so I'm trying to film this. I can't see the camera, but anyway, I never really had one of these as a kid. It's got all sorts of cool stuff in here. I'll try to just do some close-ups of some stills later, but I gotta just throw them up as I see them. This is just a highlight YouTube video of the fan club, what I found and when I bought this collection, and I've never had one of these, and I can't wait to get my new jacket. I had my jacket stolen. I had a Star Wars jacket from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and I had some cool patches on it, but I can't wait to put this patch on there. And in this pack, I'll have to look at the checklist here in a second, but I also got this patch, this Indiana Jones patch right here. And here's the checklist. Again, I'll put a still image of the quick checklist right here. Yeah, the Star Wars Fan Club folder, okay. The Lucasfilm color photo, so that would be this right here. And then the Star Wars black and white photo, so that would be here. I mean, one of those right there, yeah, black and white. There's, oh, it specifically says Empire Strikes Back. I did give away a couple of these things out of this set, so it's probably missing whatever the Star Wars black and white photo was. Yeah, the Return of the Jedi photo. Yeah, I think I gave that one away too. Anyway, little side note, this was in this folder, this Indiana Jones comic book, swing swing. And yeah, so the membership card, I got a membership card right here, and the Indiana Jones Temple of Doom, yes, logo patch. Okay, so this patch does come with this kit. The Raiders of the Lost Ark photo, so that would be this guy right here, and the welcome letter and special production brochure. I think that might be, oh, this is just the poster. Let's just get right to it. I did remember having this poster as a kid. I don't want to even open it up because I swear I rip it every time, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It has the Star Destroyer right here chasing after the Falcon, and then a lot of cool other data on the back of the poster right here. Definitely one of my favorite posters. I definitely remember having this poster up on my wall, so I know I was part of the fan club. I just never kept my folder here in good standing. And then it has the Luke Skywalker Rebel Fatigue jacket. Boy, that would have been awesome. And so this is like Bantha Tracks or something, the official fan club. But this whole fold out right here. Oh, there's the other black and white photo of Luke and Leia. Oh, and then here's the Star Wars Saga. Yeah, the fold out for Return of the Jedi. And then this was, again, I don't know if this came in this set or not. At this point, who cares? I got this Bounty Hunter sticker right here. And then there was this like postcard that is a hologram. And then a bunch of little Star Wars sayings. This is, again, a peel away sticker that they can come out. Yeah, so a lot of good stuff. For those of you who've ever, yes, there's always been a fan club for the Star Wars Lucasfilm, but boy, having one of these fold outs, the whole set complete, is pretty cool. Yeah, I've sold a lot of stuff, but I've held on to this one. I couldn't really put a value on it, and if I did, I'd be giving it away for who knows what. And I think it's really cool. Anyway, and yeah, one of my favorite parts is this one sticker, the bounty hunters. Just, you never see that look, if that's focusing in or not, I don't know. Yeah, so that is the quick review of the Star Wars fan club. What is involved in it, and the cute little checklist here. Okay, so may the force be with you. Have fun at a Star Wars celebration in Tokyo, whatever, Japan, and I'll see you on the next one. Fletch out.